Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home, studying also nicely. This is your moral education lessons class of Standard 2, and I am going to teach you the moral science sheet. First I will read and then you will read after me. Say this moral science sheet, my dear. There are some hard words also in this which you will get in your homework list with the word meaning that you will learn. Right now I am not going to underline the hard words, but you will get it. Okay? And this moral science sheet you will take out, you all also have got, I think, my dear, you all will take out its hard copy and you will underline the hard words and learn the spellings of those words. Okay? Now read after me. Breathe not the sins of others so long as thou art thyself a sinner. Quotation number 2. Tread ye the path of justice, for this verily is the straight path. Number 3. God willing, thou wilt be loving and obedient to thy father and mother. Fourth quotation. Blessed is the who prefereth his brother before himself. Fifth quotation. Be worthy of the trust of thy neighbors and look upon him with a bright and friendly face. The last quotation. Put your trust in God and commit your affairs to his keeping. Now we will come to prayer number 1. O Lord, make these children excellent plants. Let them grow and develop in the garden of thy covenant. Prayer number 2. God is sufficient unto me. He is verily is the all-sufficing. In him let the trusting trust. Third prayer, you all know to sing this prayer. Say, God sufficeth all things above all things, and nothing in the heaven or in the earth, but God sufficeth verily. He is in himself the knower, the sustainer, the omnipotent. Now read the fourth prayer after me. O God, my God, attire mine head with the crown of justice and my temple with the ornament of equity. Thou verily art the possessor of all gifts and bounties. Song we will read in the next class, my dear. Let us now see this quotation. You have to learn, write and decorate in your copy. Okay? God willing, thou wilt be loving and obedient to thy father and mother. What is the meaning of this quotation? You know, my dear. What is God's will? God's will is that you should be loving and obedient to your father and mother. If you are loving and obedient, you will listen everything what your parents are telling, because God has sent them to look after you, to take care of you, to be with you 24 hours. So you should be loving and obedient to your parents. Parents means father, mother, grandparents also. Okay? Now we will see here how carefully the parents are carrying the child. And when you grow up, you disobey. This disappoints Not only your parents. If your parents are disappointed, my dear, God is also disappointed. Because on the earth, our parents are the form of God. Because each and everything they do for us, they show us the right direction also, they encourage us to do what we should do and what not to do. So we should definitely listen to our parents and obey them, love them, take care of them. Now there are some word meanings. I have earlier told you that in quotation sheet I have underlined some words with it and I have written its meaning also. And what you will do in the copy, you will learn and write the quotation and these words meaning also. See, justice. Justice means fair, not to be partial, isn't it? Fair treatment. Wait. What is the meaning of justice? Fair treatment. If we are not doing justifying, means we are partial. Okay, so justice means fair treatment. See, this is the symbol of justice. In the court also you will see this type of symbol. Path. Path means track. In the quotation you have been told to walk on the straight path. Means straight track, way, which is the way. So we should walk on the straight path. Path means track. I am going to show you the picture related to, see, this is the path. In this track we can walk, and footpath or pavement, they are also the path. Sinner. What is the meaning of sin? Whatever wrong we are doing. If we are hurting someone, we are creating sin. That means who is sinner? Those who does wrong, those who hurt someone are the sinner. It doesn't matter only human being. If I am teasing or hurting some animals also, then I am sinner. If I am doing wrong towards the nature, because whole universe God has created, no? So if I am doing wrong towards the nature also, then God is not happy with us. So we are sinner there because we are doing wrong against the creation of God. This is the sign of sin. Now belief, trust. What is the meaning of belief, my dear? Belief means trust. As you have a strong belief on your parents, means you trust on your parent, that your parents are doing good for you. So you have a belief, you have a trust on your parents. Like that only we should have trust on God, that whatever God is doing, He is doing for our good. Now worthy. Worthy means commendable. Worthy means whatever we are expending, that much reward we are getting. That is called worth. Suppose if we are purchasing something and it is not fulfilling our desire or our need, then it is not worthy. So worthy means commendable. Now willing. Willing means ready or prepared. We should be always willing to obey our parents, teachers, elders, to love them, love our small brothers and sisters also, neighbors also, small children, even pet also. We should be always willing to love them. Willing means always ready, prepared. Now I will see the next word. Affairs means incident. Whatever is happening, this is called affairs. Whatever incident, right now we are facing an incident of this pandemic COVID-19. This is also an incident for us. It will be remembered through years that one time, there was a time that we have not gone to school for whole session. So this is an incident. Commit. To do something illegal means to do something that is wrong is called commit. Illegal means wrong, that is not correct. Prefer. What is the meaning of prefer, my dear? Choose. Rather than means if I am preferring to eat sweets in the place of snacks or salty things, then I prefer. If I like to eat more, I am eager to eat sweets. That means I prefer sweets than salty things. Like that only. Suppose we prefer good mobile right now to teach you nicely. We prefer to have a headphone so that others should not be disturbed. So these are the preference which we need right now, and it can be changed according to the situation. Now, my dear, what you will do? You will write HW and date, and first you will write in one page quotation very nicely, and you will decorate it also very nicely, and in the next page you will write word meaning. And you will learn it also. Okay? Thank you for your work, my dear. Pay attention, be safe.